How to make money with free-for-profit beats. Have you ever wondered how to monetize your music production skills? Are you familiar with the concept of free-for-profit beats, and do you know how they can help you generate income? Have you considered using your beats to sell licenses, promote your brand, or collaborate with other artists? If these questions pique your interest, then you're in the right place. In this video, we will explore the world of free-for-profit beats and how you can leverage them to make money as a music producer. From building a following on social media to collaborating with other artists and licensing your beats, we'll cover various strategies that can help you turn your passion for music into a profitable career. So, join us as we dive in and learn how to make money with free-for-profit beats. Music plays a vital role in our lives, providing entertainment, relaxation, and emotional expression. It has been an integral part of human culture for thousands of years, serving as a form of communication, storytelling, and celebration. In addition to its cultural significance, music also has a significant economic impact. The music industry provides a wide range of opportunities for individuals to earn money through music. Musicians and producers can make money through live performances, merchandise sales, licensing their music, and digital distribution. The rise of digital technology has also opened up new opportunities, such as creating free-for-profit beats and selling licenses for commercial use. In addition, music plays an important role in advertising, film, and television, providing additional avenues for musicians and producers to earn a living. First of all, to earn money from free-for-profit beats, we need to understand what they are. Free-for-profit beats are instrumental tracks that can be used for commercial purposes without having to pay a licensing fee. This means that you can create and distribute your beats for free, yet still make money by selling licenses to use them in commercial projects. But why is this worth considering? Unlike other types of beats, free-for-profit beats can be used for profit without the need to pay royalties or fees. They can be distributed on various platforms such as YouTube, SoundCloud, and BeatStars. Producers can use these platforms to showcase their skills, build a following, and sell licenses to use their beats in commercial projects. Now, you may be wondering whether free-for-profit beats are accessible to everyone. The answer is yes. Whether you're a seasoned music producer or just starting out, you can create and distribute your beats for free and start making money from them. Some examples of popular free-for-profit beat platforms include TrackTrain, Airbit, and BeatStars. All you need is a passion for music, a computer, and a bit of creativity. Now that we have a basic understanding of what free-for-profit beats are, it's time to focus on creating our own beats. To create high-quality, distinctive, and marketable beats, producers need to hone their skills and use the right tools and software. There are numerous software solutions for making beats, such as Ableton Live, FL Studio, Logic Pro, and Pro Tools. Beats can be inspired by a multitude of sources, including listening to other producers, experimenting with different sounds, and using unique samples. To improve your talents as a producer, you must practice on a regular basis, learn new approaches, and incorporate input from other producers and artists. By creating high-quality and distinctive beats, producers can attract a larger audience and increase their chances of selling licenses for commercial use. Once you've honed your craft and created some high-quality beats, the next step is to get them in front of the right audience. But how can you effectively do this? One of the best ways to do this is by building a following on social media. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to do so and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. Social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok offer a great opportunity for producers to showcase their skills and connect with fans. To build a following, producers need to create engaging content that appeals to their target audience. Sharing behind-the-scenes peaks of the creative process, partnering with other producers and artists, and efficiently leveraging hashtags to reach a bigger audience are all examples of this. By building a strong following on social media, producers can increase their exposure and attract more potential customers for their free-for-profit beats. Now that you have a growing following on social media, it's time to start monetizing your free-for-profit beats. One of the most effective ways to do this is by selling licenses for commercial use. By licensing your beats, you can earn money from your music and help others enhance their own projects. But how can you ensure that you're setting fair prices and negotiating effectively with clients? There are different types of licenses available, such as exclusive and non-exclusive licenses, and it's important to understand their differences and implications. You'll also need to determine how to price your beats based on factors like your experience, market demand, and the type of license being offered. Negotiating with clients can also be a challenge, but having a clear understanding of your rights and limitations as a music producer can help ensure a fair deal. By mastering the art of licensing and negotiation, you can turn your beats into a lucrative source of income. In addition to licensing your beats, promoting your brand as a music producer can help you achieve success. Because in today's music industry, having a strong brand identity is crucial for standing out and attracting potential clients and collaborators. By establishing a cohesive brand that resonates with your target audience, you can increase your credibility, build a loyal fan base, and ultimately increase your earning potential. Promoting your brand is crucial to success as a music producer making money with free-for-profit beats. Developing a recognizable brand identity that reflects your unique style and personality is the first step. Creating a consistent look and feel across all your marketing materials such as social media profiles, website, logo, and other promotional materials can help build recognition. Building a website is also important to showcase your work and provide a hub for your audience to engage with your brand. Collaborating with other artists can also be a great way to grow your brand and earn money with free-for-profit beats. One way to collaborate is by creating remixes for other musicians, which can help you reach new audiences and potentially earn royalties. You can also produce beats for other artists either for free or for a fee, which can lead to new business opportunities and expand your network. Collaborating with other producers and beatmakers can also lead to the creation of new and unique sounds, as well as providing exposure to each other's audiences. Finding the right collaborations can be a key factor in success as a music producer. Once you have created a strong brand identity as a music producer, the next step is to maximize your earning potential. This can give you more opportunities to expand your reach, collaborate with other artists, and invest in improving your craft. In a competitive industry like music production, maximizing your earning potential can also help you stand out and establish yourself as a professional in the field. One option is to upload your beats to streaming platforms like YouTube or SoundCloud, where you can generate ad revenue and build a following. Another option is to offer custom beats for clients, which can be a lucrative source of income. Additionally, you could explore partnerships with brands or other businesses that are looking for music to use in their marketing or advertising campaigns. By diversifying your revenue streams and finding creative ways to monetize your beats, you can maximize your earning potential as a music producer. Finally, to be successful in the music industry, it's crucial to stay up to date with trends and changes. One way to do this is by following music blogs and podcasts that cover the latest news and trends. Additionally, attending industry events like conferences and workshops can provide valuable insights and networking opportunities. Another important factor is keeping an eye on emerging technologies and platforms that can impact how music is distributed and monetized. By staying informed and adaptable, you can position yourself for success in the ever-changing music industry. As the final chord of this video rings out, we hope that you found valuable insights into how to make money with free-for-profit beats. Just like composing a beautiful melody, creating marketable beats requires skill, practice, and a willingness to explore new sounds and techniques. In conclusion, making money with free-for-profit beats is a viable and exciting opportunity for music producers. With the right skills, tools, and strategies, it's possible to turn your passion for music into a profitable career. However, it's important to remember that music is an art, and it takes practice, dedication, and creativity to create truly great beats. So don't wait, get started on your music production journey today, and remember to always keep learning and improving your craft. The possibilities are endless, and the rewards can be truly fulfilling both creatively and financially. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay tuned for more beneficial videos.